Hi friends, welcome to my channel Starting Friend. Today I'm going to talk about this cryptocurrency, that is MONG, and in this video I'll be talking about the technical answers. So you can see the current price is 0.802953 dollars. It is down by 1%. Market cap is $1.71 million and the volume in 24 hours is $5.91 million and it is up by 13%. So you can see the volume has increased in 24 hours. So now I'll go to the chart and you can see that I'm in the monthly chart. So let me draw the trend lines. So you can see this is the support trend line, okay, and this is the resistance trend line. So you can see that after this candles went to the resistance level, then continuously the fall happened, and after the fall the candles went up to the this resistance level. So you can see there is a resistance level over here, and then again the fall happened. Okay, so if you go to the weekly chart, you can see previously you can see candles have gone up and then fall happened, and now you can see the candles are moving in this channel pattern. Okay, so you can see that, and after the fall the candles went to the resistance level, and now you can see the fall is happening. So you can see that previously the candles were moving in this upward direction. Okay, so this is the support and this is the resistance. Okay, and after that the breakout happened, then candle started falling. Okay, so you can see this is the support trend line. Okay, so this is the support trend line, and this is the resistance trend line. So within this channel pattern only the candles are moving. So you can see that from uptrend now the downtrend is started. So you can see this is the support and this is the resistance trend line, and okay, so you can see after this candles fall into the support level, it went up, and now the fall is taking place. So if you draw the trend line, you can see this is the support and this is the resistance. Okay, so within this channel pattern only the fall is taking place, and once the breakout happens, then candles start moving towards the resistance level. Again the fall takes place and go up, and then finally the breakout happened, and then candles start moving towards this resistance level. Okay, so you can see previously after the fall the breakout happened, then candles started moving towards the resistance level. Here after the breakout you will see a good rally and cancel go to this resistance level. Okay, so you can see that this breakout may take place by it will take some time, maybe next day you can see a breakout. Until then the cancel fall in this downtrend channel pattern. So this breakout will take place very soon. Okay, so if you go to the day chart, you can see right now the candles are moving near the support level, and after the breakout here then candles start moving towards the resistance level. Okay, so you can see that very clearly here. So now we'll talk about another cryptocurrency, that is tutorial coin or TUT coin, and you can see the current price is $0.03642 dollars. It is up by 9%. Market cap is $34.6 million and the volume in 24 hours is $129 million and is up by 104%. So you can see that volume has increased in 24 hours. So now I'll go to the chart. So you can see that I'm in the daily chart. So let us draw the trend line. You can see this is the support trend line and this is the resistance trend line. Okay, so continuously the candles are moving in an upward direction. So if you go to the 4-hour chart, you can see after this candle starts the resistance trend line, fall happened. Again it has gone up, again the fall is taking place. So if you draw the trend line, you can see previously the candles were moving in a upward direction. So after this okay, you can see candles went to the resistance level and then breakout happened, then candles started falling. So this is the support and this is the resistance. Okay, and within this channel pattern only the fall is taking place, and okay, you can see that very clearly. And after this fall the cancel move in this support level for some time, and then breakout will happen, then cancel go up, again the fall, again it will go up. So like this will move in this channel pattern. So you can see that very clearly. Okay, so previously also you can see after the cancel went up, fall happened, again the cancel started moving towards the resistance level. So it started from this resistance and then the candles came down, and it again after the breakout you can see candles have gone up to the resistance level. Okay, right now the fall is happening, and this after the fall the cancel move to the resistance level. Okay, and if the breakout doesn't happen, then candles may come down to the support level here, and then again it may start moving up. Okay, so that's all for now. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.